Welcome to part 2 of my pattern haul. This time, this was the McCall's sale, and I picked up M8009, which is a romper and jumpsuit pattern. And I thought this would be interesting for a project that I have coming up, but I did like this pattern, both versions with the sleeves and without the sleeves, as well as the romper, and I might be able to push this out before the end of summer. We'll see. Second pattern is McCall's M8113, and View C just really captured my eye. I have some fabric that is kind of like what she has on see-through, and it kind of inspired me to do something similar with that fabric, which is what I had in mind anyway. I kind of wanted to do a skirt with the sheer overlay, so I thought this pattern would be great for that. I also like the tops. I'm not mad about anything about this pattern. Everything here caught my attention. Next pattern is McCall's M7405, and I was inspired to pick this one up by Lakeisha over at Zazie K Creations. I really like the dress that she created, and I love the hemlines that are made like this, and I'm loving View B. McCall's M8138. This one is a dress pattern. Views B and C both have exposed zippers, which is what I really liked about this pattern. The only difference between the two is one is long sleeve and the other is short sleeve. And one of my daughters had been asking me to make her a jumpsuit with a zipper in the front, but I just didn't have the nerve to do it just off the top of my head. So I felt like this would be a great jump start for me. M8146 is a pattern that I've been trying to get my hands on for a little while. I can't remember whose channel I was watching and they made this top. I want to say it was Brittany J. Jones, but I cannot quite remember. But I fell in love with it when I saw it, and I knew I had to have it. Next is McCall's M7654. I think this dress would be great for any date night if you have the right fabric, of course. And I'm looking forward to making this because my husband and I have a lot of dates to go on. So this would be perfect. McCall's 7683. Somewhat some of the same inspiration. Some date night looks, not too dressy, not too casual, kind of just right. I like both of these views. Now, one thing that I've noticed about McCall's is that they have these brackets with these numbers in it. I have not sewn a McCall's pattern yet, so if anyone knows what these numbers mean, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to be enlightened. Next is McCall's 7727, and this is a Mrs. Tunic and Sash. I absolutely love both versions of A and B. I make one for myself is going to be View A. Now, when I saw this pattern, I instantly thought about my mom because she loves dresses and tops made like this. She sees this pattern, she's gonna like it and she's gonna want one. McCall's M7315 is, let's see what it says, just Mrs. Dresses. And I love the handkerchief hemlines. And so everything about this caught my attention. I especially love View B. I think it's the fabric she has on. It's just so pretty and vibrant. Those color choices for the flowers on that white background is very captivating to me. And so I'm looking forward to making that as well. And I did buy this in both sizes so that I can make them for my daughters as well. Next pattern is McCall's M7606. And what I liked about this pattern is the bodysuits. I love bodysuits growing up. I only have 2 now and I need to get more in my collection. So I picked this up for the bodysuits and I will make these. Next one is M7996. This one caught my daughter's attention. The blue jean, the denim. She loved this pattern and I said, hey, go ahead and get it. You know, I haven't tackled any buttons yet, but I'm working up the courage to do that. So hopefully you'll see something with buttons in the very near future. Now, if you have any of these patterns or have made any of these or know what those numbers on those macaw patterns mean, let me know in the comments below. And hit that like button if you liked this video. Also, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you'll know when part 3 of my pattern haul is up. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.